How to find do not disturb settings on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find the do not disturb settings. First open VK, and after that click this icon here in the bottom. Now click this one, these three lines in the top corner, and then click settings, and here we'll find it, second one here. And as you see here, you can enable it for 1 day, 1 hour, or anything you want, and that's it. You can disable it again. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.